How do I remove someone from my best friends list on Snapchat?
Hello there, Snapchat users. Today, we are going to talk about how to remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. If you've got someone on your best friends list who you no longer want there, this is the perfect tutorial for you.
What is the Snapchat best friends list?
Before we dive into the steps, it's crucial to understand what the Snapchat best friends list is. Your Snapchat best friends list is a feature that shows the friends you chat with most frequently. Snapchat decides this automatically based on your interaction levels with different users.
Can you manually change your Snapchat best friends list?
The short answer to this is no. You can't manually alter the best friends list in your Snapchat app. Snapchat uses a unique algorithm to determine who makes it into your best friends list, and this is primarily influenced by how often you interact with each friend through snaps, chats, or stories.
So, how do you remove someone from your best friends list?
Even though you can't manually change the list, you can still influence it. If you want to remove someone from your best friends list, reduce your level of interaction with them. This means you should stop sending them snaps or engaging with their stories. Over time, Snapchat will adjust your best friends list based on your changed interaction levels.
What if you want to remove someone immediately?
If you want to remove someone immediately from your best friends list, the most effective way is to block and unblock the person. Please note that this method should be used cautiously, as it can lead to loss of chat history. Here's how. 1. Go to the chat page and click on their Bitmoji or profile picture. 2. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top left corner to bring up a menu. 3. Click Block. 4. To unblock, go to your Snapchat settings by clicking on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the camera screen, then click on the gear icon in the top right corner. 5. Scroll down to Blocked, find the friend's name and unblock them. In conclusion, while Snapchat doesn't allow you to manually change your best friends list, there are ways to influence it. I hope this video was helpful, and you now know how to remove someone from your Snapchat best friends list. Happy snapping!